I know it's freaking late again, man. I need to get better at just doing earlier streams because it gets late and then I get tired, and then if I forget to water Jimmy or do any, chores and stuff, I'll start thinking I can't program because I've got stuff to do. But programming is the stuff I gotta do, so I just need to program earlier. So I'm gonna work at that. I turned down the music by 0.5 or so. So hopefully it's not too obnoxious for y'all. I think this is cool. I love this app. Okay. So, I guess the question is, let's figure out where we need to place our platforms. And if it's random or what. So, that looks so wonky. So, I guess my first question is, does this wave 1 always look like this? Platforms, at least. So, I guess I want to kind of try it again and see. Yeah, that looks the same, right? It's not what I wanted. It's not what I wanted. I didn't even know you could do that. What I really wanted was a screenshot. Yeah. So it looks like at least wave 1 is kind of set like that. Wanted to, you know what, maybe I'll just do it in GIMP. Do I have GIMP on here? I do. For whatever reason, Photoshop won't let me download onto this Mac, probably because it's old, but it's kind of bullshit. Adobe doesn't let me download an older version that used to be compatible with this. So I'm going on the record saying screw Adobe, and you can quote me on that. I want to see. Let's give us a GIMP image of 292, 240. template. I don't know how to scale this image. What the heck? There is a tool. Sorry guys, I know you don't want to watch me not know how to use GIMP, but Photoshop's busted. Yeah, maybe just transform, it's called. Oh my gosh, what? Transform. Why do you gotta do this to me, man? Okay. Scale is Shift S. Oh my god, how do I move this? M. And then Shift S for scale. And then M. Okay, is that about right? A little less. Oh, hey. Did you scale or no? Did you? You're gonna look me in the eye. Tell me you scaled. When you didn't. I mean, this looks like the not quite right resolution. Well, no, actually, yeah. So look, the red gets cut off. So the square needs to end right there. And right there. So maybe I need to scale it up a bit more. And then M for moving it needs to be more than that. Scale. Okay, that's just about right. Needs to be a bit bigger. And then... Okay. Okay. Ooh, just let me move the... Scale this. I just want to move. I need to take a freaking course in GIMP. I don't normally use GIMP. I want to just make this bigger. How do I just look at this bigger? Too big. So I should kind of set the guidelines. You know, like, do I do... Well, I guess we just need to see where they're at, right? I'm doing this so I have a little line to know how many pixels, you know, the platform's X is at. And its width and whatnot. And I know this doesn't have to be perfect. Or, you know, it doesn't even have to be the exact dimensions that the original was at. I'm just crazy, I guess. But you see how many points of data there are to this equation. So it looks okay. So down here, my cursor tells me my X and my Y. And it's just like the video game because X starts to the left and gets bigger going that way, and then Y starts at the top left just like the game does and gets bigger going downwards. So that's going to be super useful. I'm going to snag a notebook here so I can write these dimensions. Okay. Gosh, okay, whatever. So I guess we'll just go by, you know, top left. Top left. One thing I'm really worried about is the right here. The platform is going off the side here, which our ostrich will have no problem walking off the side until it disappears, but the platform doesn't know how to loop. I have to come up with something how to loop the platform here. Gosh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. Because right now the only looping behavior we have is, hey, if our X of our ostrich is past the rightmost side of the screen, then we're actually on the leftmost side of the screen. Sort of deal. So I don't know how to exactly do that with platforms. But let's say that this is platform 1. So we'll say platform 1's X is 262 here. So we'll say platform 1 X is 262. Yeah. And then the Y is 45. But it needs to go off the screen. And it ends at the same Y, 45. But 39 pixels. 39. Okay. Now, platform 2. $76.54. $76.55. P2 is 76.55 and 186. $186 is the end of that platform, and they should all be about the same thickness. I mean, I think they are all the same thickness. Well, no, actually no. They're kind of, see how they're kind of boated inwards? But I think like the max thickness is about the same. We got 44 and 54, so they're about 10 pixels tall. Let's do the next platform. This is platform 3. So platform 3 is 212 and 104. And it goes as wide as 273. Okay. Now platform 4 is right here, and it's 262 and 112. 262, 112, and it ends at 49. So platform 1 loops, platform 4 loops, platform 1, platform 2, platform 3, platform 4, platform. And 5 is at 96. And 132 goes all the way to 175. Okay, so I can't just put in these X values for the endpoints. I need to figure out how many pixels long they are. Let me see what our width was again. How do we see our canvas size? It's 292 wide. So 292 is the number that's going to help us here. 292. So let's do the width for this platform 2 real quick, just so we can see. It's it ends at 186, starts at 76, so it's 110 wide for platform 2. Let's do platform 1. We go off the screen, so the 292. Is that right? 292 for the width. Yeah. 292 for the width. So I'm gonna say from 262 to 292. It's 30 pixels here. And then it goes from 0 to 39. So 30 plus 39. Is a total 69 width for platform 1, 110 width for platform 2. Platform 3 goes from 212 to 273, gives us a width of 61. Platform 4 goes from 262. Okay, yeah, 262 to 92. So 30 pixels. Yeah, it's the same as this one. So 30 pixels first. Platform 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 30 pixels. Except it's a little bit longer than platform 1. At 112. No. Wait. Oh, 49. So 30 plus the 49 gives us 79 width. Now platform 5 right here goes from 96 to 75. So 75 minus 96 gives us a width of another 79. So it should be the same as 4, just not cut off. So the shortest platform is 61, the longest is 110. So that's a difference of almost 50 pixels. But you know, I do that to kind of imagine how to generate a level randomly, you know, which I think could be cool. And then the height is about 10 pixels for them all, right? This is 133, the bottom is here-ish. It's not quite 10 pixels tall. It's more like this one because it's like, you know, the rectangle would cut it off like here-ish. So I feel like this is a better representation. 142 to 132, so 10. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. We'll do 10 and see what that looks like. I'm not exactly sure how to do the looping here because I could do it where when you think about it, when the ostrich walks off, let's say my cursor is the top left of the ostrich, right? we walk off screen right here. As far as the game's concerned, we're off screen, but we're still standing on the platform because the platform's still being drawn, or the dimensions of the platform are still there, it's just not being drawn. But there's still ground underneath, which makes me not fall while going off the side there. Well, actually I haven't tested it. Well, I mean, we tested it on the ground level, which hasn't given us a problem. But remember, we kind of did some jankiness to the ground platform where we just made it bigger than the screen to fix some of our looping problems. Because one episode we were running side to side and then it was triggering grounded being false for some reason. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, if we do, like we say, hey, platform 1, you draw it right here with a width of 69, but the thing is, we don't need it to be 69 width because it needs to loop. But then maybe we say, maybe we have another variable saying loop point or some shit that says like, if you know, x plus, if platform X plus its width is greater than 292, then looping point is true, or whatever we want to call it. And then we need to say like, hey, width, what do we say? We would say, because basically like I want to find out what point this needs to be drawn at. But then this is tricky too, because when we walk off screen, if the cursor's my top left of my ostrich, we're off screen about here, fully off screen here, there still needs to be a platform beneath me. So it's like, I think the move is to literally just draw the platform twice. Draw it once here, have it go off screen, and then calculate how would we do this? We would have the width, which is 69. So we would say that actually, yeah, the width 69 doesn't really help us here because it's all off screen. You know, like, I think we just need to draw it right. Because yeah, we need the platform to extend, you know, at least an ostrich width on either side of here, which means the platform needs to extend on either side. So I think we just need to know that this platform 1 ends at 38 pixels in, 39 pixels in. So this, anything that loops, like platforms 4 here, we need to also have a end point, which is 49. Okay. And then, yeah, just 2 platforms are looping. So one ends at 49 and the other ends at 39, 10 pixels in. Okay. We just have to do some backwards math to make sure the endpoint is at that right. You guys see what I'm talking about with the just do it twice kind of idea? Because I don't know how to split up. If this is one platform and it's just being drawn, and that's the other thing too. It's like it needs to be rendered at the right place, and it needs to be used at the right place, like the code for the platform itself needs to be on both sides, and it needs to render both sides. But I don't know how to do. Is there a way to just say there's only one platform and it's this one right here that starts, you know, it starts right here, and then it goes off screen? How would the same platform know to... I don't know. I feel like we just need to do multiple platforms. You know, have this one go off screen, have this one start off screen. I don't know how to do it any other way. Let's see if we can't place these. It's been long enough with this like zero coding. Maybe. So it would be in our, right here, in our play state. Actually, we may need, I guess for now we'll keep the name parameter in here, because it could give us some debug opportunities if we keep it in there. I want to open the platform class. So it needs a name, an X, Y, width, and a height. Okay, so instead of this platform 1, we're going to be changing this. So right now we are rendering to platform 1. Okay. And I had name in there because the name of the variable is ground platform, and I didn't think I could print out. I don't know why. I just didn't want to use the same name in case some bug stuff, but so platform 1 is X at 262, a width of 69, XY width, and a height. We'll just do a height of 8, see how that looks. I was going to say 10, but then the one we have been drawing was at 4. So I feel like even twice as thick is going to look a little chunky, but it's not art yet. It's just the rectangle. So maybe 8's just fine for now. So yeah, platform 1, we've got an X, a Y. The Y is 45. And a width and a height. Okay. That's the right side of platform. Platform 1 right. Now we need to find out if X, or if the X of the rightmost side of the platform is 39 and we're 69 wide, then we need to draw at -30. I don't know. can do -30. Can that happen? As an X position, does it know that -30 is off screen? I don't know if I don't. No, yeah, it should be able to, because we're able to walk off there. Yeah, we should be okay. So -30 is its X, and it's got the same Y. It's got the same width. It's got the same height. Okay. Platform 1 good. I'm curious if the 30 is gonna give us any problems. The -30. I think what's happening why is it an ostrich though? Collidable. Basically, the platform 1, we need to say platform 1R. Well, no. Platform 1R, render. Platform 2, platform 1L, render. But then in our ostrich, so we have collidable platforms, platform and collidable platforms. Let me just see if collidable's a nil value in the bottom collides function. I think right here, I'm hard coding this in. If it collides with platform. No, that's not. The platform there is looping through all of collidable platforms, so we need to make sure our collidable platforms, there is a table called collidable platforms that we are just screwing up. Well, yeah, we're screwing it up right here. Gosh. On R, and then we need platform 1L. Now, it shouldn't fail there. You know, collidable platforms, yeah, with an S. What the heck, man? it's trying to do an Ostrich 52. It's looking for a collidable and it's a nil. Platform 1R is a platform class. It's in our table of collidable platforms. And then on line 52, it's failing here somewhere. But it's not really failing here, it's failing when bottom collides right here. It fails right here on the first loop. Oh, look at this. Why does do we use this self-dot platform anywhere else? I don't know why it's not working. All I changed was the X of this platform. So if I go back to platform 1 and say so what was wrong? Why did it fail when all I changed was the name of this thing to 1R? 1R. 1R. Why? 1R is in our... That makes no sense to me. That makes no sense to me. The only thing that makes... No, because it was just... So look, if I just have platform 1, platform 1, platform 1, that works. I don't know why changing one letter like that makes it busted all of a sudden. Why would changing the name of that just bust it? Because this name isn't even the same. It's not platform 1. It's just for every value in the table of collidable platforms. What am I missing, guys? Platform 1R. So if I just change that, it's busted because it doesn't know. Bottom collides doesn't know what platform 1R is. So we have to say, hey, platform 1R is in the table of collidable platforms. And then that shouldn't break it. That shouldn't break it. Why is that breaking it? It only works if it's platform 1. Is that what you're telling me? It shouldn't even matter. This can be called anything. This could be called just plat, and it should work. Why would it be busted? Why? I mean, you guys are seeing this, right? Like, if I say platform 1, and in my collidable platforms, I say include platform 1. And then in my render, I say render platform 1, and then all of a sudden it works. But the name shouldn't matter. The name can be anything. Why would is platform 1 used in here anywhere? Just in some old render logic. The only thing I could... No, I don't know. It's not busted because it works when I change it to platform 1. If I just say platform, it's going to be busted, but it shouldn't. Why does only platform 1 show up as okay? Or like work, you know? That doesn't make any freaking sense to me. Doesn't make any sense to me why changing the name would just bust it. Because it should be the collidable platforms. It takes in platforms that are called all kinds of stuff. And it's not like I gave in the wrong arguments, because when we're doing platform 1, it just works. Well, I didn't change the render. It's getting to that point where I'm looking at the word platform and it looks so wrong. I really don't know. So with that not drawing, it should just work still, just not draw it. So why does this only work with the name platform 1? That's what I want to know. We take this out. We take this out. Does it work? It should. Okay. Really, dude? Really? 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 What do you want from me? Why? I'm losing my mind here. Why? Bro. Okay. Jesus. So it doesn't work. But does that just not work because the loop needs more than one thing? Like, why does platform 1 okay. Yeah, I'm making a lot of mistakes recently, so I know it's getting towards the end here. Okay. Platform 1, you're fine. But I changed this to platform 2, and you fail. That shouldn't be the case. Why would that happen, man? Why would it happen? What is different? Platform 1 and platform 2 is the same exact thing, just a different variable name. So why would you fail? This was another line of code that I tried fixing on those 2 episodes that busted. Like without giving, I don't know, I just had to do that to stop an error for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know if it's completely necessary, but it was serving a purpose, and then when I took it out, it broke stuff, so. Okay. So, even though it says right here, like it's messing up at line 52, it's not. It's not messing up at line 52. It's just that, well, I mean, I guess it's technically right, but it has to get past, it has to get down to this line of code, which at this point, it's getting passed in a value called platform, or it's, This is just a special for loop in Lua for index in value, or for key or index value in pairs, collidable platforms. So it's saying that this is like this is the index. This is, I mean, this could be anything. This could be the letter K, and it should work fine still. It's just saying that K is the index or key, and then platform is the value. And then what values are we looking at? We're looking at the value that's in a pairs of values. Pairs is just like, it's got multiple values. I guess I've only ever used this pairs in a loop like this. So I'm saying, collidable platforms is a table with a bunch of values in it, and then I'm saying iterate through every platform in those collidable platforms. So when it says it's messing up at line 52, what's really happening is it's saying, it's getting to this. So it's saying, oh, I've got to do all this stuff for all these collidable platforms. So let's see if the ostrich collides with, or bottom collides with this platform. And then it's like, well, what is bottom collides function with a platform parameter? It's like, well, up here, it's right here. So you say all this, and then this is when the collidable, which in this case was a platform other than platform 1, was a nil value instead of a real value, like platform 1 was for whatever reason. I'm very confused. I'm very confused why just changing that variable name and changing that variable name would all of a sudden make it work. I'm very confused. I have no idea why it would just not work with anything other than the name platform 1. Doesn't make any sense to me. Only thing I could think of is like I'm doing something I forgot I implemented. But I'm not seeing anything. I'm curious what the Lua says, or what do you want to call it? Lua or loop pairs. See the love 2D. Or loop. I want to see what they call it. I've been calling it index, and I guess that's what the I is. So yeah, maybe key is the better word for it. Well, no, because this is doing something different. It makes sense to call it key in this sense, but when we're passing it items, multiple items into the table, it would be an index. makes zero sense to me. I don't know what else to say. I don't get it. I don't get why only the name Platform 1 is acceptable to this thing. It doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't make any sense to me. We can have it called anything. Fez gets platform class. Now in collidable platforms, put in the Fez object, just like we had Platform 1 and it was working. Then render Fez, save it, and then it's busted. I don't get it. I just don't get it. And then if we comment this out, and we take this out, and this is weird too. We take out that, it's still busted. Which is almost even more confusing. But I think it's because the only thing I can guess is that this do loop needs more than one because it says pairs. That's my only guess. Like it's expecting more than one value here. Why would it do that? Why would it be so messed up? Let's actually do this one as Platform 1. So it's got no problem with that. But if I add another platform called Platform 2, and I add it here, and I add it here, busted. Busted. You're kidding me. You're kidding me? Why is that not busted now? Can I take out Platform 1? Just have Platform 2 and that still work? I mean, it should be no-brainer. It should work fine. Why? Dude, why would adding another platform unfuck it? Doesn't make any goddamn sense to me. So like, how come I can draw Platform 2 no problem, but I can't only draw Platform 2? Like, I need to draw Platform 1 in order to get What the heck, dude? Why would it do that? Why would it just fail? Especially when I can just do platform 1 and have it work. It just busted. That's so stupid. Why would it work? The name platform 1 gives it no problems. If I try to do platform 2, it doesn't know what to do. But if I do platform 1 and platform 2, it all of a sudden knows what to do. Why? Anyways, I'm getting tired. I'm gonna commit. Say started to add game accurate platforms. Git push origin main, and we're good to go. Okay, guys. Well, we literally spent an hour and 7 minutes to draw a platform right there. Instead of where it was. So, I'd say pretty big success. I don't know why that's freaking getting busted when I don't know why platform 1 is of an acceptable variable name and platform 2 is not. Makes zero goddamn sense to me. It really does make zero freaking sense to me. We don't use platform 1 anywhere else. And platform 2 actually does get drawn and no issues, only if it's also passed in with platform 1, which makes even less sense to me. Anyways, we'll figure it out. It doesn't make any freaking sense to me, but we'll figure it out. Hey, program today. Hey, it was 10. And I thought about going to sleep, but I programmed. I did turn this down by 3 dB. It still looks maybe a little hot, but hopefully that sounds better for you guys. And I hope the music isn't too distracting or too annoying or whatever. I like it. I think it's fun to work to, and I programmed it. I feel like I'm cheating saying that, because I didn't really program it. I typed in stuff, and the direct result of the stuff I typed in is what you're listening to, but I didn't do all the work of making this language, making this. Look at this. This stuff's running live like this, this code is running. I didn't make the synth samples or figure out how to get any of that to work, but I did program this music, so that's cool. Okay, I'm calling it a night. Thanks for watching.